In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual seeking to streamline appointment scheduling, Calendly is a powerful tool that can save you time and keep your calendar organized. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. If you do, simply click on the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you're able to log in with your credentials, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy account dashboard. Now that you're in your GoDaddy dashboard, you need to navigate to the specific website where you plan to add Calendly. Once there, locate the option that says Edit Website. This is where you'll be able to make all the necessary changes to your site. With the editor now open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll need to look for an option that says Add Section. Click on it, and this will allow you to add new content to your website. In the options that appear, search for the section labeled as HTML. Once you've found it, click on the Add button to include this HTML section on your page. Now that you've prepared your GoDaddy site, it's time to jump over to Calendly to get the embed code. Open a new tab and go to the Calendly website. Just like with GoDaddy, you'll need to sign in with your own credentials. If you haven't checked out Calendly yet, it's a great service for managing appointments and can be integrated into your website with ease. Once logged into Calendly, locate the event you want to embed on your GoDaddy site. Beside each event, there should be a 3 dots menu that allows for various actions. Click on that, and you should see an option that reads Add to Website. Select this, and then choose Inline Embed from the various embedding options that Calendly offers. This choice will blend nicely with the style of most websites, appearing as part of the page layout itself. After you choose Inline Embed, you'll see an option to copy code. Go ahead and click this. It's a simple code snippet that you'll need to paste into your GoDaddy website. Once copied, head back to the GoDaddy editor and paste this code into the HTML section you added earlier. With the code now in place, you can preview your changes by clicking on Preview. This will give you a chance to see exactly how the Calendly tool looks embedded on your site and make any additional customizations you might need. If everything looks good, hit Done and then Publish to make your changes live, and that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your GoDaddy website. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy scheduling!